Hey, it's Tom ZEEB with TractionRealEstateMentors.com, and in this quick video, I want to talk about how personal you should get with your motivated sellers. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to talk softly because I'm on a cruise ship and it's hard to find anywhere quiet without music blaring, but this seems to do the trick for now. Not sure I'm supposed to be in here right now, but that's all right. The restaurant's closed for the moment, so all should be good. I got a couple questions at my last Rapid Cash Generator Masterclass that I do throughout the country, and the questions were similar in a way. The first one asked, what phone number should you use? Do you use a business phone number? Do you use your personal phone number? What number do you put on your marketing? That was the first question. The second question was about what name do you sign your marketing letters in? Do you use your own name? Do you use a company name? And it's interesting, let me answer that second question first. It's not about you. Nobody cares about which name you're signing in. So in some ways, it's the wrong question to be asking, right? Glad you asked the question, but it's not maybe not the one you think you're going to get answered. So the thing is, a motivated seller cares only about themselves and their problems, and understandably so. There's nothing really wrong with that. The problem is if you're worried about what your company name is or what name you sign in, or maybe your name sounds different, none of it matters. The only thing they care about is themselves. And so you want all of your marketing to constantly focus in on them, what they're thinking, what their problems are. The more you pinpoint their issue and stay in their headspace, stay talking about their problem, that's what's going to connect them to you. It's not what's your company name, or what is the meaning of your company name, or did you sign the letter in which name? So my letters are simple. I put my name on there. I throw my company name in too because it doesn't really matter, okay? Now, the first question about which phone number to use is kind of similar. Now, I don't give anybody my cell phone number. Very few people have it. My family has it, a couple close friends, and I think a doctor too. That's about it. The only people that I want calling me on a phone that resides in my pocket. So I don't give anybody my my cell phone number. I use a main number, which happens to be a Vonage phone service number. You can use a Google Voice number, you can use a Vonage line, you can use any number you want. For me personally, I just don't want people interrupting me on my cell phone. So for you, use what number you feel comfortable with. There's a debate between, do you still need an 800 number, or 866-877-888, whatever, a toll-free number. I'm not sure it makes that big of a deal anymore. I mean, do you pay for long distance service? Do you even know what long distance service is? Back in the day, it used to be kind of a big thing whether or not you were paying for long distance service. And so having an 800 number and a toll free made it easier for somebody to contact you. It also took the regionality out of it if you happen to, maybe you've moved to town and you have a area code from a different area. But at the end of the day, remember, the thing that matters is that they can contact you. So don't get hung up on any of these points. Don't get hung up worried about that. Just get your marketing out there and get people calling you. That's my tip for today. If you like this video, go ahead and share it with others, or click on the like button if you're watching on Facebook, and I will talk to you again soon. It's Tom ZEEB from a cruise ship in the middle of the Caribbean, signing off.